We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this fictional supervillain character appearing in American comic books published by DC Comics, commonly as an adversary of the crime-fighting vigilante Batman. So how do you go about pronouncing his name? There is a great video explaining in details made by Nerdy in Many Ways channel, explaining why the origin of the name is in Arabic, to which I'll link to at the end of this video if you want to learn more. But the short story is that because the name comes from North African Arabic-speaking countries, the closer pronunciation of this Arabic name that you can get in English is Ra's al Ghul. Ra's al Ghul. Ra's al Ghul. Here are more videos about how to pronounce names from comic books, as well as this video I was telling you about if you have 5 more minutes to learn more about this character, Ra's al Ghul. Cheers. See you there.